Question now is on reopening. We're going to open half the regions in the state today, 5 regions out of 10. They are the regions that meet the numerical criteria. We are one multi-state region. What one state does will affect other states. That is probably nowhere more clear than when it comes to opening beaches. No group contact activities, no volleyball, no football, nothing like that. Areas of social gathering will be closed, picnic areas, etc., playgrounds, pavilions, arcades. Social distancing will be enforced for employees and for visitors. At this point, concessions will not be operating. I'm trying to work in conformity or accommodation with our surrounding states. They were going to open beaches, and if New York did not open beaches, you would see an influx of people to the Jersey Shore, Connecticut, etc. That would put New Yorkers then in jeopardy there, because the problem with the beach is if it's overcrowded, right? If it's 50% of occupancy, you're fine. The problem is if you overcrowd at the beach. First, we open them with safeguards, 50%, etc. Second, if there is a problem and the locals do not enforce those regulations, we will close those beaches immediately.